Siyakhuleka bogogo, siyakhuleka bomkhulu. Siyakhuleka konke amadlozi okuhlukahlukana kwawo, ngokwegaba zawo, ukuhlonipheka kwawo, nokwazana kwawo amadlozi. Sekuwo umthandazo wokuphahla lapho sicela khona abangasekho, which is our ancestors. Today we are saying, please protect us. This one, it's a very difficult one because it hurts actually. It really hurts because we are living in the times, in the days whereby we have self-appointed enemies. We have enemies that they've just decided to appoint themselves. Somebody just wakes up in the morning, decides to hack your number and scam people in your name. Somebody wakes up in the morning and decides, okay, I'm going to create an account and I'm going to call myself Gogo Bathini Mbatha. And then people will go and fight with him, thinking, oh, it's him that took their money, and it's me. And that person thinks, oh, yeah, he or she is powerful. He's very a skillful individual. I feel sorry for a family or for a children or a partner who is eating, spending money from the tears of the people. I normally say to people, imali zabantu zinenyembezi, because when people pay for a service, they don't do that because of they are donating into a charity organization. They are doing that because of help was promised and help must be delivered. So namhlanje bogogo nomkhulu, we are asking you, we are begging you to protect us. We are living the days whereby it's not safe to do anything. You work hard, you buy yourself a car, you're still paying for it, somebody steals it. You get yourself a partner, you get married, somebody steals your partner. You start a business, you know, you're not doing well, but you're getting there, somebody breaks in your business. There's nothing that we do that is safe. You hire somebody, they steal from you, then expect you to pay them full amount that you've promised them. Namhlanje sizocela bogogo nomkhulu ukuthi protect us. Don't allow these people to do things that they are doing. Don't. Because we belong to you. You are our owners, not them. Pardon. Not them. Sayilahla kunina namhlanje sithi, as we go down on our knees on day 6, we ask for protection. But we don't just focus for protection. Respond to any cry out there, to anyone who's down on their knees or who are praying through their heart. Bless them with what they are praying for. Namhlanje ngithi ngicela protection. I'm one person that is very free to people. Whenever I go, I've never neglected anyone. I've never uthi to anyone. Keep it that way, but protect me. Because nguvanzi kubantu. I would never know which one is an enemy. That's why I always say to people that if you want to kill me, it's very easy. You just make an appointment, you come, you kill me, you leave, you get home, you celebrate. Protect me as you've always protected me. Continue to protect me. I call upon the ancestors who used to fight wars to be in the forefront today. I want those that fights. I want those that knows how to fight and protect their families. Come forward. Ngiyacela. Ngiyazithoba kunina. Kukho la singakhalela khona masingakhaleli edlozini. Ilona idlozi eliyohamba idlozi leli elithunywe kuthina ilona eliyohamba komkhulu omkhulu. Laba esibabiza manje ngoNkulunkulu omkhulu ochaza ukuthi okuyilona idlozi elikhulu ekhaya yileli idlozi eliphambi kwethu elinye thothi siyalazi ukuthi hayi ugogo ngiyamazi mamtshana uba umkhulu ngiyamazi kanjalo kodwa bakhona bangaphambili. We ask them to protect us. We're not doing this because of we have nothing to do. We also want to sleep and dream about lotto numbers. But we've decided to dial the lotto numbers by burning these two candles, yellow, no blue, and ask you to protect us and protect our wallets, protect our bank cards, protect our pockets. Please make us to be rich. As we are rich, we must continue to be rich. We don't want a temporary wealth. We want to be always be wealthy so that even our children, they don't grow out of poverty. I like it how we did it this year, whereby we unpack things bit by bit. Then tomorrow we're going all out, we're wrapping up. We're going deeper on everything that we have said. We mixed everything to say we are sealing this parcel. We are writing a telegram to you tomorrow. We are sending tomorrow a telegram to you to say this is what we need. It's not what we want. Forget about what we want. We'll make a plan about what we want. But please deal with our needs. The rest will deal with them. It's not a problem. That's why we come in us as traditional healers and everything. We deal most of the time. We deal with the wants, but the needs, the needs izidingo. Hayi imfuno, izidingo zidinga isekelo. Sifuna ukuhamba phezulu kwesekelo sedlozi. Wathi umunye ubaba wayesebenzela Elof Street, but Elof Street, not Elof Street, Small Street, but behind Carlton Center. There was a healer there, very good one, Washon, may his soul rest in peace. Ubaba Khumalo wathi kimi wathi Shandu ngifuna ukusethela idlozi ukuthi inhlamvu idlule eceleni. That's how powerful ancestors are capable of. That's why we're here today. We're asking you. We've stopped everything that we're doing. We stopped everything. Coincidentally, I've seen something. Somebody screenshot one of the videos and said, since when imisamo are being displayed kanjena? This is not umsamo. People must be clear before they open their mouths. This is not umsamo. It's a conducive place where we speak to angels or to ancestors that are directed to us as in individuals. As I'm a last born at home and everything, when I'm burning these candles, it has nothing to do with my brother or with my aunt at home and everything. This is not Umsam. I'm not talking to ancestors on behalf of the family. I'm talking to ancestors that I directed to me. Because the only place you can talk to ancestors that are directed to the family, even if you are the one that is responsible to talk on behalf of the family, you cannot just do it anywhere. As we are doing this Ukuphahla, we are all over. Others they are at the rest, others they are at rented flats, rented rooms. I'm in the hotel now and everything. We are in totally different places because we are talking to the ones that are with us all the time. Those are the ones that will tell those that are also representing the family. So people should educate themselves before they criticize. But we're not going to waste our prayer by responding to them. If they believe in that, it's their opinion, good luck. And also protect us, ancestors, from those individuals, because they are trying to dent what is good that we are doing. We're in day 6 now. I said, don't give up. We can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Don't give up. I've said it in the social media. Don't give up. Under normal circumstances, I would have been on the road now, going to my next destination. But I've said, as much as I don't have money, let me at least try to sleep. It doesn't matter how comfortable it's a place, as long as I can be able to burn my candles and continue. Because the person that, the individual or the ancestors that I'm talking with are the ones that goes with me. But by burning candles, somebody may ask, but Gogo, if you say are the ones that are always going with you, why then do you have to go down on your knees and burn candles? Because when they go with me, they are the ones that are talking or give direction, or whatever that is happening, it's what they allow it. So when we burn these candles, we now having a meeting with them, with these ancestors. From where? From my mother's side and from my father's side. So each and every person, they always have 2 guardian angels. Within the 2, there's a senior one. Which one is a senior? I do not know. It depends. In your case, which ancestors are more powerful than the others. But they always go together. It's either the other one is left behind, or the other one must go forward, but they're always there to assist you. Bangapha nangapha, left and right. I'm still going to explain this. Please remind me, guys, or on comments, because I have so many topics that we need to talk about. But I'm grateful, guys, for your reminder. Really, I really appreciate it. That's why I always keep a journal, because I don't trust a brain. Nani, guys, don't do that. Please, guys, when you sleep, keep a journal next to your bed, guys. It's very important. I mean, I either have a journal or my phone is charged. I close, I put in a flight mode so that it doesn't disturb me, and then should anything comes up at night, whether it's a thought or it's a dream that I don't want to forget, I just go on record. I record it, or if I have strength to type, I type it. Please protect our dreams, our visions as well. We ask you, our ancestors, please protect our visions at night. You are coming to us, you are visiting us, but there's a bad spirit that is stealing our visions. We wake up in the morning not remembering, because of there are people that do not sleep. They send their stuff to block. They send the blockage to block our dreams, to block our visions, to block our plans, to block our goals. Allow us to plan next year, this year. Not this year to plan the same year. It's too late. But we cannot do that if we are not protected by you. We need your help. We're asking for your help. Protect us. as we are laying, other people that are being stolen at night and being used. Other people, they've got spiritual and husband and spiritual wives. Other people, they wake up in the morning being wet, full of sperm, because of why they were having sex with the spiritual partners. Protect us from that. You can. Protect those that are pregnant, not to lose their babies, because they are being insulted. Baba beza ngenyumba ukuthi abazali kanti ngane abantu ibambile bese kufika umuntu ayenza something bese chithakalisiso. Protect those wombs. Protect those children. Protect our children from drugs and alcohol abuse. Protect our children from teenage pregnancy. Protect our children from impregnating other kids. We need protection. We need protection. We call you our ancestors. Our government do not care. Our government doesn't give a damn about us. That's why during COVID, police were able to come to our homes and take your beer. Black police. We're not talking about white police. Black police. Why? Because the government, I don't blame the individual, the government don't care. So whatever that a black person is doing is not being recognized or nor respected. But other tribes, they are able to do what they want to do. You go to the malls, you find there's a special prayer room. Why don't we have a prayer room for people that from the Shembe people, or just a general prayer room, so that when you go, you're at work, and then you know what to upata during the day, or even at night, you take your candles, you go to a prayer room, you burn your candles, you do your prayer, you switch off, you tidy up, you're done. They won't do that because we're black. We are on our own, but with you. Siyacela our ancestors, siyacela bogogo, siyacela bomkhulu, intervene. Protect us. Protect us. Protect our relationships. Protect our marriages. Protect our work. Protect our businesses. Protect our children. Protect our communities. Protect our leaders. Protect our churches. Protect our projects. Protect our infrastructures. I'm talking about your ESCOM. I'm talking about your railways. I'm talking about your anything, because it's not, I cannot say I don't have a train, I have nothing to do with railway. No, I have everything to do with railway. I cannot say I don't have a truck, I have nothing to do with trucks. No. Even now, I was driving next to the trucks. For the very first time, I said to myself, I've traveled for 12 hours. Wow. But I drove so well with trucks. I was happy. Alone, I was appreciating all the truck drivers I was with. They didn't hear me, but spiritually, their ancestors will do something for them. Please protect us. Siyacela bogogo nomkhulu. Siyacela shinishanzo zomoya. Siyacela nina mobovula kuvale emzini namanye amadoda. Give us the lock and the key. Let us unlock these keys. Give us the keys to unlock these locks, because these locks are zibophe impilo zethu. We are not being protected. And we ask you to help us. Because without you, really, without ancestors, you are just hiding in a vacuum. Somebody once said, I saw somebody being arrested, but I've asked myself why, because that guy was wearing his pants, and his pants looked fresh. Slaughtering a goat and go commit crime, thinking, oh, you will survive. You're wasting your time. The protection that we're asking from our ancestors it's a genuine protection. It's a protection because of we don't mean any harm. We are not saying protect us so that we can be able to rob people. Protect us so that, no, don't protect us there. We mustn't do that. We're asking you to protect us, not to go and steal at work so that at work they mustn't see what you are stealing. Then we call it to them. There's an old man, there's a video that is trending on the social media. An old man, Mavoso, stole a lot of chicken. He's working in the farm. A lot of chicken. They were full of food. It is wrong. I'm not judging Umavos. If he was hungry, he was going to be caught with 2 chickens or 1 chicken. But he's starting a business with somebody's business. It doesn't matter whether the boss is white or black or yellow or pink. We're asking you to protect us. Protect our minds, not to think evil stuff. Protect our minds to think positive. Protect our minds from thinking negative. Protect our eyesight, our thoughts to be positive, to be focused. Without a protection, we are nothing. Protect us from negative people in our workplace. Those who always push the agenda, these white people, protect us from those negative individuals. If you have a labor issue, deal with it alone, not with the crowd. Because if you deal with the crowd, then you are lying to each other. At the end of the day, you're going to suffer alone with your children. You are the only one that is going to suffer. I always tell my colleagues that the bad thing about lying to each other, when you go to the toilet, you go alone. And when you check there, that SS, when you check your pockets, there's nothing. You're no longer friends. You're friends because of you working. The fact that you work together doesn't mean you're friends. So be able to see who are your friends. Ask for protection so that we have friends that can protect us even in our absence. But at this moment, we have friends that are friends when they're with us, but as soon as you turn around, they are our enemies. Somebody says, if you are my friend and you've been gossiping about me, you are also my enemy. If you are my friend and you heard my enemy saying something and you don't tell me, which means you are my enemy. And I'm asking my ancestors to protect me from you. There are people right now who are crying, who don't have partners. They had a partner yesterday, today they don't have a partner. They had a place to stay yesterday, today they don't have a place to stay. I've seen pictures on social media, others are jokes, others are genuine. Landlords locking up things and everything. Protect us from that. And protect us from people who are live photographers. All they do is to rush to take pictures so that they can expose us about what went wrong to us. Protect us from there. Make sure that that iPhone falls on the ground and breaks. We're tired of such people. You find people on an accident. I once passed an accident on N2, a very terrible accident. People were taking pictures. Instead of helping people, we're taking pictures. What are you going to do with pictures of dead people on your phone? That's why if you send me such pictures, I block you. You don't deserve to have my number. I block you. I don't have time for idiots. Protect us from such people. We don't need them in our lives. Siyakhuleka bagogo nomkhulu, siyakhuleka shintshanza umoya. Siyacela bagogo nomkhulu. Abantu baye bacabanga ukuthi mawuphahla edlozini kunenkulumo mhlambe uba namalimi kanti kuba izingxoxo. ukuthi umehluko usuke uthi umsweli usuke ukhuluma wedwa ngathi umsakazi, kodwa thina siyazi ukuthi sisakazela nina nisilalela futhi nizophendula. Siyacela ke nazi ibani ekhona phambi kwenu ukuthi ke nisivulele inhlanhla, nivule yonke into. Protect our luck, protect everything that we have. Protect the little that we have so that you can open more channels for a lot of luck to come. Siyacela bogogo nomkhulu, siyacela shimshanza umoya. Cela na bonke njengoba kunesiphiwo sokulapha abantu, ngicela ukubacelela nabo bonke nalabo abangakwazanga ukuthi bathole ithuba baguqa ngedolo baphahle kanye nathi. Sometimes abanye they are not in a conducive places, but I'm begging, I'm asking ukuthi please nabo siyacela nibabhale lapho nibhala khona, lapho nizobabusisa, lapho nizobalethela ibusiso. Niyazazi ifiso zabo, ngisho becela labacela khona bacela ngenhliziyo. Niyakwazi ukuthi nibezwe nina, ngisho bakhuluma luphi ulwimi niyakwazi ukuthi nibezwe nina. Khona umunye usibhalele namhlanje ukuthi gogo uyangishiya u-Day6 ngoba namhlanje ngisebenza night shift, ngicela ukumrepresenta lapha ekhona emadlozini nakubo. Ngicela amadlozi la ekhaya ukuthi ahambe nami aye emadlozini nakubo, simrepresente, simcelele engilosini zakubo ukuthi naye bamvulele inhlanhla ngokusemsebenzini unesizathu. Kwesinye isikhathi sithi siyaphahla kanti sesimoshela umsebenzi, ngakwenzi lokho. Mangavumi ukuthi uphahle kusho ukuthi uSathane usuke emi ngenhla, kodwa uSathane uzofuna ukukunika isibindi sokuthi phahla noma kunjalo bese uyaxoshwa kuthiwa hey ayishiswa lento la, uxoshwe emsebenzini. Kanxoshiswa uSathane, kanti nina niya understanda ukuthi umuntu usuka ebhekane nesiphi isimo. Ngiyakhuleka bogogo nomkhulu, ngiyacela ke shimshanza umoya, ngiyacela kunina mawuvula kuvale nzima madoda. Makhosi Bathini. Makhosi.